Hello, my name is Joseph Pena, and today I will be talking to you about calling the superclass constructor. In order to call on a superclass constructor from the subclass, the keyword super needs to be used. It needs to be placed as the very first thing in the subclass constructor. If the keyword super is not used, then Java will automatically call on the default or no argument constructor that the superclass has. This is an example of a constructor with no arguments. As you can see, the constructor has the exact same name as the class it's in. The subclass Candy does not use the keyword super within its constructor. Therefore, Java will automatically call on the default constructor in the purchase class. In this example, the super constructor was not called. It does not matter if the super is explicitly called or not. The superclass constructor will always be called before the subclass constructor. This makes the values of this example 0, 10, and 0.07. This means that the price is 0, the number of pieces is 10, and tax is 0.07. This is an example of a class with two constructors, one with no argument and one with an argument. The subclass Candy now uses the keyword super and supplies an argument 1.50. This time the subclass did call on the super, which told Java to call on the superclass constructor with an argument, making the output 1.50, 10, and 0.07. If the super was not called explicitly, the output would have been the same as the first example of the default constructor, 0, 10, and 0.07. Now let's look at some JGrasp examples to try to more fully understand what is happening. As you can see here, I've already created a Purchase 3 class. It contains two constructors, one with no arguments and one with one argument. I've also already created a Candy 3 demo which will run my program when I've completed the subclass Candy. Now that Candy 3 has already been started, the first thing we need to do is create a variable to use. Along with create the constructor. Remember, the constructor has to have the same name as the class it's located in. Right now, I'm just going to create a value for my number of pieces. I'm going to compile this, and then I'm going to go over to my demo and run it. As you can see, I have a price of 0, a number of pieces of 10, and a tax of 0.07. As you can see here in the purchase, since super was not explicitly called, it used the default no argument constructor to set the price equal to 0. Now, if I go back inside of my Candy constructor and I add super 1.50, when I go to run my Candy demo, it will use the super and call on the purchase with an argument, which sets the price equal to 1.5, which was the number I used when calling the super. And that is the basics of calling the superclass constructor. Hope it was helpful. Good luck.